Hello everyone, we are here at Maniling Memorial to visit my daughter, Maria Isabel, Mia, Sarah, and Jennifer. After going to my mother's home, because today is my mother's 6th death anniversary. Okay, we'll go to my daughter, Mia. Okay. Hello, anak. Hello.
Ate, mustamos.
Hi. Miss ka na namin, anak. With my daughter, Dr. Princess. Para po sa'yo kanila. And Daniel.
Honey Bunch.
Okay. Hello, anak. God bless everyone. Huwag mo na pa isara. With this is my daughter, Maria Isabel Angelica. Hello, anak. Kumusta ka na, anak, dyan? Miss ka na namin. We love you, anak. God bless you. Missing you so much. Okay, God bless you. God bless everyone. Bye. Bye. Huwag mo na patayin yung anak.